Hey everyone, welcome back to Product Critique.
Today, we're diving into a must-have for your roofing needs. The Pangda 20 pieces 9-inch classic ribbed profile foam closure strips. If you're looking for the best black metal roofing panels on the market, you're in the right place. Let's get started.
The Pangda foam closure strips are designed to provide optimal insulation and protection for metal roofing panels. Each pack includes 20 pieces, each 3 feet long and 0.87 inches wide, ensuring a snug fit and effective sealing.
Made from durable foam, these strips not only reduce noise but also prevent water leakage,
making them ideal for maintaining a dry and secure environment in your home, barn, or warehouse.
Let's talk about what sets these closure strips apart.
They're crafted from high-quality foam that withstands weather and UV exposure without shrinking or breaking down.
This durability ensures long-term reliability, crucial for any roofing application. Plus, they're specifically designed to reduce noise from rain and wind, creating a quieter, more comfortable indoor environment. Now, let me show you how easy it is to install these closure strips.
They fit perfectly into metal roofing panels with a 9-inch ridge distance, enhancing stability and preventing moisture from seeping through. Whether you're securing a new roof or retrofitting an existing one, these strips provide a seamless solution. While I won't dive into specific customer reviews today, many users praise the Pangda closure strips for their effectiveness and ease of use. It's clear they're a favorite among DIY enthusiasts and professionals alike. Compared to other products on the market, the Pangda foam closure strips offer a balanced blend of affordability and performance. Their robust design and noise reduction capabilities make them a standout choice for anyone looking to upgrade their roofing system.
In conclusion, if you're in the market for reliable foam closure strips for metal roofing, look no further than the Pangda 20 pieces 9-inch classic ribbed profile foam closure strips.
They combine durability, ease of installation, and effective noise reduction to protect your property from the elements. Whether you're tackling a DIY project or overseeing a professional installation, these strips deliver on their promise. Don't forget to check the link in the description to get yours today.
That's it for today's review on Product Critique. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more in-depth product reviews and comparisons. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.